My name is Liz Hink. I'm a stay-at-home mom, sorta. I run several businesses out of my home. I do laundry, ironing, and alterations and sewing for people. Here in my home, I have 3 kids. I also sell skincare, and I run an Airbnb out of my basement. I'm also dabbling in social media management, so I guess I'm a work from home mom, not so much stay at home mom. We have been in our house about 1.5 years, and we love it here. It's our forever home. It's where we want to always be. With Aces, we got the extra insulation in the attic. We had them paint my sewing room with the magic paint. I don't know what it's called. And we also did solar panels, because our power bill, we have just over a 4,000 square foot home, and our power bill 1 month was nearly $400. And so we decided to look into solar because that's astronomical. That's ridiculous. That's a total budget buster. So we decided to take matters into our own hands and decided to try and go solar, because it would be a consistent bill every month. We wouldn't have to worry about fluctuation, $80 one month, $560 the next. No, we were done with that. And since we have had our solar installed, we have not had a power bill at all. Like, they owe us money. I feel like they have all been very courteous of my time, because where I do so much out of my house, I am so busy all of the time, trying to keep up with kids, trying to keep up with businesses, trying to keep up with my husband's crazy schedule. They were so courteous of my time and what could and couldn't work for me, as far as this day won't work for me, this time won't work for me. They're like, okay, well, let's change it up. What does work for you? Everyone that we have encountered with this company, we have absolutely nothing bad to say about them. They have all been over the top good.